Know about those booster shots for the COVID vaccine after a CDC advisory panel today recommended them for some people, and they're almost certainly going to get final approval sometime soon. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is joining us right now. He is getting some answers on this really for how it'll impact everybody, right, Mike?
Yes, Mark, these immunocompromised people remain at risk for serious COVID cases, even if they've been vaccinated. So this decision means that millions of people can now get an extra dose. But who fits into this group and where can they get a shot?
We need to protect those who are most vulnerable at this point.
The head of the CDC is expected to approve COVID vaccine booster shots for certain people with weakened immune systems. But who fits into that category?
What we are concerned about is those who are really immunocompromised might not have that same response within their memory cells.
The CDC says immunocompromised people make up less than 3% of the adult population in the U.S., but account for 44% of breakthrough COVID cases that lead to hospitalization. But who are the immunocompromised?
We're starting to sort of look at our population health statistics, trying to identify who are those individuals.
Doctors are waiting on final guidance from the CDC, but they expect that the group will include people who have received an organ transplant, are living with HIV, or are getting certain immunosuppressive medications like chemotherapy. Right now, this is for people who got the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. It'll be a third dose of the same vaccine that you already got. But where can you get it?
We're going to try to do it through existing channels at this point, with the possibility that we may need to open clinics for not just vaccinations, but testing as well.
Is this booster shot a sign that the vaccine isn't as effective as we thought? Doctors say no. Most vaccinated people are able to fend off COVID with no problems, while the unvaccinated still make up the majority of deaths and stays in the ICU.
Well, that's just, I don't know, in the old days, they would say poppycock that the vaccine doesn't work. It definitely works.
Now, again, this is just for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Johnson & Johnson is still studying whether a booster shot is needed for its vaccine as well. If that company decides one is needed, it would need the same federal approval that Pfizer and Moderna are getting. Now, if you have a question or something that you want us to look into, use the Channel 3 app and loop us in. We'll start making calls to get the answers that you're looking for. Live from the Answer Desk, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you.